So we're going to do a quick video on how to replace the sun-visor clip. This is on an Audi A4, but should be similar for a lot of vehicles. Actually, when I first bought this vehicle, it's been that way. I thought, oh, it's magnetic, but no, they're broken on both sides. So we're going to show you how to do it. You should get yourself a little trim kit like this. They're cheap on Amazon, and that way you can pop stuff out without damaging the rest of the interior. So we're just going to work the cap off. You don't want to work the whole thing out. Just take that cap off, and now this will come out because the cap holds the prongs in. And just like that, that comes out. Then we're going to grab our new ones, also very inexpensive on Amazon, and get these pieces out. And we're going to just put that right in. There we go. And then we put the cap. I mean, you can use a new one or the old one, I guess it doesn't really matter. And you see that little tab. I believe that little tab aligns with that little hole. At least I hope so, because that's how I'm putting it on. And there we go, just like that. We've got a functioning clip for the sun visor.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.